Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my mini workshop. As you might see, it's not quite light outside, but the sun will rise up just in a few hours. So it still is the time of the year where it's in the morning pretty dark and it's pretty cold, and it happens a lot that you get sick. And you know, there are people who are using like tissues, who have the money to buy tissues. Me and my wife, we're the kind of people, our tissue is that. The cheap version and just some toilet paper, and this is exactly what my project is about. When we're sick, we're in bed, we've got a lot of tissue stuff just laying around, or toilet paper stuff, and I wanted to make it more exciting to use the toilet paper as a tissue, and therefore I have an idea. Oh, I kind of like, this is like my roter Faden, my guideline for the project, so maybe we see it a bit more often. Oh, I know this looks pretty cool. This was the last project, and here is my sketchbook. Let me show you the idea. I want to build something like a box where I can put my toilet paper roll on it, and then like a cool opening where I can just tear up the paper. And then I thought, when I use the tissue or the toilet paper, I need something to put it inside. So then I wanted to have like another box where I can put the used tissue. I already have an idea for, I don't want to like circle, I think that's boring, but I have an idea for a pretty cool opening for the used ones. And there's another clue, because before cutting the whole wood and stuff, I want to try something out. I saw it at Vitaly Fedorchuk's, I hope I spell it right, Vitaly Fedorchuk's Instagram. He makes amazing projects. Have a look at him. This is so cool what he's doing. And he made like, I think it was a stool, a tiny stool, and he had a blank piece of wood and he drew on it. It was a whole piece of wood, and after he drew on it, he cut the whole pieces for his project, and then he put it back together. So the stool looks just incredible, pretty cool. And I want to try it out with this tiny toilet paper roll holder. So I need a bit of preparation, because before painting on it, I have to figure out the exact sizes for all these things, and then I can measure it on the stuff I have, and then I can paint on it, and then I can cut it and put it back together. So let's add another page at my book. Preparation is everything, so let's go. Okay, I figured it out. I need 7 pieces, the same size for all the walls. I need 1 piece for the trash situation, and I need the bottom, which is a bit bigger. So all in all, I need 9 pieces. So let's find the materials. Okay, I think I found the perfect material. Look at that. Okay, this is pretty small MDF. This is 7 millimeters, and this is big enough, definitely, to make it perfect. Let's do the painting. Okay, I'm done with drawing. Well, I kind of like the left side. I'm not very happy with the right side, but it's okay. It's my first try, and I just draw it out of my head without sketching it first. But I think for next project, I want to really have something prepared. But the next step is to put all the measuring sizes on it, and hopefully it all fits. to get very sure with my measurements. So first I want to put them together. And then secondly, I will draw the bottom I need on the MDF, because so I'm 100% sure if it fits or if it not fits. We got nearly this is corpus. This one is for this side. So there's one piece missing for connect both sides for the toilet paper and for the trash box. But I think it's good if there's a bigger plate, or I have to glue the MDF together, because they have to connect here on this side, and this is just like 3 millimeters on this piece, so it's just, well, I need something bigger, but this is no problem, I think. Let me see what I find. A thicker piece. Nope. Okay, so I found a big piece, and then I had this MDF plate, this very thin, and I cut this to size, this as well, and I just glue it. So it looks like the same, but then I can get the screws inside better. Okay, please. Differences. Let's just get it on the right size. I know there are way better ways, but I decided to do this. So leave me alone. Okay, so I put my saw on an angle of 10 degrees. Is it degrees? Because I need this a bit with an angle, because when I want to put this here, I don't want it to be straight, but a bit going down. I try it with 10 degrees. If I need more, I change it. Now we come to this part. Let's put it all together, but first together, because after we put it together, we can make the bottom, and then we can make like some kind of mechanism so that we can get the trash out. But before we put it together first, and then the other things, and then we can all put it together, and then we have finally the project, hopefully. So my plan for the used tissues slash toilet paper is, I don't want to have like a boring hole. I want, when I have this box, I want to have a pretty edgy side which goes like this down here. It's not straight, you know, it's edgy. And then we have, so this is this side. It already goes a bit down, and on the other side I want a bit down. I want another piece which goes down quite edgy, so that the tissue can go like deep and then down here. Do you get it? The maker magic just happens. Oh shit, no, I think I destroyed it. That's the other piece from the wood I had here. And this is perfect. I can just lay it down on this side. It holds with nothing. And this, I can just glue it. It's not straight, it's a bit with an angle. Perfect. And this comes here. Oh, nicey. Next question is, how can I open the top? And I think easiest way is with a hinge. If I put it like this, you can sure see the hinge. But I thought, why not hide it? Because I don't have to open it like so much. Or do I just leave it like that so that you can see the hinge? I mean, it's not so pretty, but it's also not so ugly. I try it. Okay guys, it's all been put together. Let's see if it all works and fits. If it fits. So here we got the premium tissue spender. I will look for a better name, but here it is. Guys, I like it. Yes, you read that right. I totally do not like this. I have to say, I really do hate it. I tried to paint it so that I don't hate it so much, but it just does not look good. It do not feel good, and I just want to get the screw out and throw it away. And I think it's okay. First, I was worried that I want to show you guys like the end product of the video, and I mean, it's a bit frustrating if you're working on the project and if you're doing the whole editing stuff, but at the end it just not feels right. And I think it's also part of making that sometimes projects are not turning out the way you think, and that's okay. It's okay. I mean, I can try again. I think I will try again. I will try again with different material. I think it wasn't the right material. I think it wasn't the right drawings on it, because I already did a similar project with cardboard pieces, because I once had this charity event, so I had many cardboard signs just around the house, and I kept them and I made it into this piece for our bathroom. It's similar. It's not this technique, but it's similar, and I really do like it because I think that there's an emotional connection. So next time if I try it, I will use different material, and I think I will take my time for the drawing and really do think about it. But yeah, it's just the hard truth, but I think that you guys will understand and might have been through it. Yeah, I think it's just part of processing the making and the stuff, and it's okay. But for the end of the video, I still want to show you how this looked like. I made some shots, but then after these shots, this toilet paper tissue stuff box is not existing anymore. And it's okay because I learned a few things of it and I can make it different the next time. Alright guys, that's it. I hope to see you in the next weeks and I wish you the best. Bye!